Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at a 2006 Honda Accord, and this is the reservoir tank for the radiator. As you can see, it's cracked open. So this is ABS plastic. It just happens sometimes. And when it happens, you can get replacement parts online and just swap it out. How we do this is we first remove. So I could tell that the radiator is still a little warm from before, so I'll make sure, try to do this when the car is not hot, and it's a pretty straightforward process. Take the new part out. There's a straw that goes into the reservoir tank. Attach the straw. Insert the straw. And for the snorkel, it's the same process. It's got a barb that's kind of built to keep it from pulling out. So voila, problem fixed. All right, well, I hope this helps you. Good luck.